Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to delete your Viber account permanently. Watch the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to delete your Viber account permanently, go and tap open your Viber application first. If you are not signed in, make sure to sign into your account first. Now, from the chat screen of Viber, go and tap on the More button at the bottom right. From your profile page, tap on Settings. Soon after you tap on Settings, from the Settings menu, tap on Account. From this page, tap on Deactivate Account. Once you tap on Deactivate Account, you'll need to enter your phone number one more time. Type in your phone number and tap on Deactivate Account at the bottom right. Remember that deactivating or deleting your account will delete all of your data, including in-app purchased item and credit, and disconnect Viber from all of the devices. Tap on Deactivate and from the pop-up select Deactivate one more time. And soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your Viber account permanently. Pretty quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.